is a message for Scorpio for the week of April 28th through May the 5th. We're still talking about Neptune's transit, this time through the 9th house. So you may feel drawn to philosophical pursuits, spiritual teachings, and seeking deeper meaning to your life during this week. It's a week for exploring higher truths and expanding your spiritual horizons. If you found this message, you are probably a Scorpio who has Neptune transiting their 9th house right now. Neptune's transit is currently Pisces, or you have Scorpio in your 9th house. Alright. So I had to take a pause this morning because I've got a sick kid who came back from prom last night sloshed. Let's see. Scorpio. Alright, Scorpio, let's see. Your current energy that you're sitting in is Earth School. Life lessons, soul growth, study, and higher learning. Did you just figure out last week about being in Earth School? Alright, let's see. Scorpio. Neptune's transit through the 9th house. Sacred breath and sound, life force, communication. Alright. And finally check into the Beyond Lemuria. We're looking into Scorpio's Neptune transiting the 9th house. Okay. New blueprints. Oh, okay. So it looks like you got a new communication, possibly through meditation, that opened you up for higher learning from the spirit realm, which is giving you new blueprints to transform, Scorpio. All right. Let's see. Move everything down this way. All right. Let's see. Your life is a canvas. Artist, manifestation, creative accountability. The blue flame, spontaneous awakening, activation, and integration time. Big picture thinking with Pleiades energy, visionary, inspired ideas, and the 7 star sisters, more Pleiadian energy, birthing creations, tapestry of life and expression. Portal, infinite mind, awakening consciousness, and awakening consciousness. Deep emotions, unknown feelings, past life influences. Sacred purpose, eternal flame, and ancestral legacy. And finally, with this deck, hostilities, conflict, and unrest. Are you the drama, Scorpio? No, I'm not the drama. Alright, so we've got unique gifts, gracious receptivity, sacral chakra, core of creation, and shine your light. So, Scorpio, this week, it seems like you are going to be manifesting all kinds of things for yourself through your artistic expressions. You got a blue flame awakening this week, which that's actually pretty cool, Scorpio, because that's the type of awakening I had when I had my stroke. So you may be, last week we're seeing blue strobes out of the corner of your eye, and when you turn your head you did not see them, but you only saw them like in your peripheral. Now listen, I'm gonna give a warning. These things happened to me right before my stroke, and I'm not a doctor, nor is this any kind of medical advice or diagnosis that I'm giving you, but if the blue strobing doesn't feel good, then go see a doctor. But generally, you'll see flashes of blue out of the corner of your eye, and that's part of this blue flame activation. So it's integrating into your life now. Okay, so I'm also seeing a lot of throat chakra activation for many of you Scorpios, and that's going to be linked to your creativity. So you might be a singer, you might be a public speaker, motivational speaker, something like that. And this is just for some of you. But that's going to be the craft that leads to your new manifestations during this time. Be very open to receiving these gifts. Again, for some of you, this may be gifts that you'll be receiving from people returning from your past. Again, be open-minded this week and continue to use your intuition. So moving into the future, meaning this week, it seems like your Pleiadian ancestors are going to be, so they're going to be bringing you some inspired ideas you'll be seeing during your meditations, or even having visions of these things that you want to do, and they want you to know that it's coming from them. So this is Pleiades energy. What is this? Hostilities, conflict, and unrest. Something to do with your spark. Okay, Scorpio, so your throat chakra is opening. Your sacral chakra already is open. And your ancestors are asking you to continue to shine your light and be authentic to who you are. there may be some unrest in this coming week because you are having like internal conflict this week, understanding about your ancestral legacy, and you may very well be confused by what I mean by your Pleiadian ancestors. Just bear with me for the next couple of weeks. There is a incredible mission that you specifically were sent to this earth to do, and it has to do with your ancestral line through your star family. So yeah, there you go. There you go. All right, so let's see, Scorpio, what else? All right, can you this is Scorpio, Neptune's 9th house transit. Tell me about your life as a canvas. Tell me about Portal. Thank you. Okay, we've got the 8 of Pentacles here. You've done the work. You are excelling at the work with the Ace of Cups and the 2 of Cups. Okay, that is a nice progression. So you did the work to set up a fantastic foundation for yourself, and you're starting to see the rewards of that, and those rewards are coming in the form of the Ace of Cups and 2 of Cups. So there's definitely new romantic love coming for you, Scorpio, or it has come already, because this is kind of recent past energy. Last week there may have been an opportunity given to you that you may not have, or you may have overlooked that opportunity, or somebody came and asked you out for coffee and you politely told them no, and this is Spirit telling you now that yeah, you should do that. So tell me about Blue Flame and Deep Emotions, please. This person is a unique gift for you. Blue Flame, Deep Emotions, please. Thank you. Oh, it looks like this person it looks like you manifested this person. Like, you put out into the universe exactly what you wanted, and this person came in as the gift for you. So Spirit is definitely saying, for this portion of the reading, to accept that offer. So this 9 of Cups with this, with the Blue Flame here, yeah, this is your activation. This is your heart opening, and that's awesome for you. Yeah, so with this heart opening, you need to, let's see, can I get something for gracious receptivity, please? Gracious receptivity. Chariot. Okay. So be open to receiving this person. And be mindful, if this offer hasn't come in yet, to kind of balance You need to balance your swords and your cups, right? So what that means is you need to balance your emotions and your thoughts. So don't let your emotions rule the entirety of your decision making, is what I'm trying to say, if that made sense. Yeah, because this is an opportunity for you to move forward. So if this has happened already, this is you moving on into next week with balance. Tell me about big picture thinking, and we're not going to do all those cards. Big picture thinking, please. And sacred purpose. And sacral chakra. Alright. Moving on into next week, Scorpio. It seems like you have been kind of a prisoner of your own mind. And you are breaking free from that. Breaking out of your own mind. But I'm also seeing a pair of people who have been separated by time and space for millennia and through several timelines that are connected and also mirrors of each other, meaning this very well could be a karmic person, and this is very specific and only for a few of you, but the last time that you guys came together, it was like fire and ice, and it was toxic, and yeah, so you guys have not been back in union for a very, very long time, and this is the opportunity to cut the cord with this karmic. That's only for some of you. For the rest of you, you're holding your gifts very, very tightly to yourself. And this is the point where I tell you, don't tell your plans to anybody. In order to be able to manifest properly what it is that you are trying to manifest, you should not tell anyone, so that way the energy isn't ruined or affected and cause a delay to the manifestation process. So you're now the magician going into next week, and you are definitely birthing new manifestations through your creative skills. Nobody has to know what it is that you're manifesting. You need to keep that to yourself. All right, tell me about 7 Star Sisters, please. 7 Star Sisters. Hostilities. Tell me about hostilities, please. And finally, shine your light. Thank you. Alright, so we've got the Lovers, the Page of Wands, and the 3 of Cups. Okay, I love this for you, Scorpio. And this is breaking the mirror and having the full embodiment manifestation of your twin flame. The karmic is out of the picture and the healed, whole version is coming. So by the end of the week, you should see this manifesting in your life, and possibly with, and well, not possibly, but definitely with this over here. The Page of Wands. This person, this could also be something else, but there's an offer coming in to collaborate with this person. They may possibly also use their voice as their creative medium. Public speaking, writer, etc., etc. And this is an offer coming in to collaborate with them. Take the cup of coffee. We've got the 2 of Swords with the High Priestess at the bottom of the deck. This is like no questions at all. You know exactly who this person is, and Spirit is saying, take the offer. He's your King of Pentacles. And it's safe to make plans with this person. So this may be a business offer, a love offer. It could be anything. That this offer coming in, you can totally trust it. This is your person, and damn, Scorpio. Damn. This is great. This was easy. This was amazing and beautiful. I hope you enjoy your week, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.